Hi everyone and welcome to Saving with Jessica. Today is Friday, October 2nd, 2020, and I wanted to update you guys on my Don't Spend It Savings Challenge. This is a bi-weekly savings challenge, so I am doing my second deposit for this challenge. On my first video, I had saved $5 for that week. Now I'm going to roll the dice and see how much I'm able to save for this week. $10. So for this week, I'm saving $10 for the savings challenge. So for the Don't Spend the Savings Challenge for week 2, I was able to save $10. On my first week, I saved $5, so now I have a total of $15 saved for the savings challenge. I'm going to write down how much I saved for this week. So it's $10. And I'm going to highlight this. If you guys want this savings sheet, it's on my Etsy shop. I will leave that in the description below. If you guys are doing the savings challenge with me, let me know how much you were able to save this week. If you guys like this video, please press like, please subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on those notifications so that you're notified every time I post a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.